Hey everybody, Simon here, aka the Ginger Juicer. Thank you for stopping by. So today's little video is just about how to create a quick little blend, however you can do it. And the reason why is because I think everyone, I don't know, well, not about everyone, but I think it's quite easy in the current climate to slip into what I call airport mode, which is just like all rules out the window, having beer at 6 o'clock in the morning. Maybe not that extreme, but we're not on a big holiday currently. We are actually on a lockdown, and I think it's really important that we, certainly in this current climate, for our mental health more importantly, as well as our physical health, is to look after yourself by having a relatively firm schedule or plan, which I believe should include at least a juice or a blend a day to help keep your nutrition on point. And also what I've done is I've also looked at, because fruit and veggies now it's better, but it's still very hit and miss. So I'm making sure I've got myself some multivitamins every day to help keep my immunity up on point. And with regards to doing a blend, I just want to talk to you how you can do it, because things aren't necessarily available all the time. Not everyone's got a juicer, so I thought a blend would be the best way of doing it. I'll just tell you the real simple steps on how I reckon you should be done. So first of all is to get 25% green, 30% green into your blend. So you get your bowl here, put it in there, and then 25% fruit, whether it be sort of frozen berries. Frozen berries are wicked because they last for a period of time. They add the depth of cold to the drink as well. Avocado is a great one to put into it, bananas, and then the rest, 50% liquid, such as either coconut water, filtered water, or your own homemade nut milks, which I'll do a video on, or I've done videos before on that, which you can check out. Blend it all together, and of course you can even pimp it up with some supplements such as spirulina powder, or indeed a wheatgrass powder. Cheap as chips as well, but really nutritious from the point of adding extra vitamins and minerals and more antioxidants into your blood system, into your system. So that's a real simple step. Just get to 25% green, 25% fruit, and the rest liquid, and you can't go wrong. So blend all that up. Happy days. Speak to you soon. Thank you.